Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azana Rezoto. Today I'll be working on a Honda Accord Wagon. The chip fell out, so by mistake it fell out. I just put another chip in. I'm about to do programming, some Oculus programming. You can see the mobilizer light is blinking. To be able to program. This is Europe-spec, it's not American-spec. Prepare the mobilizer system. So we're going to do an Oculus programming. Let's do system check. Let's do system check. You can see system check. System is not normal. The key is not registered. So we'll try to register the key now. Add and delete keys. So do an Oculus. Both keys. I just want one. You turn the ignition off. Turn it on. Turn it off within 15 seconds. Turn it on. Turn it off. Turn it on. So it's registering now. The mobilizer light has turned off. Yeah, I said, is the mobilizer indicator light turn off? Of course, it is off. So proceed. Turn it off. Turn it on. The registration has been completed. Switch out the ignition. So let us test. Turn it on back. So as you can see, that has gone off, but the voltage is low. As you can see, there is about 9 point something. But we'll try and crank and see. Cannot start. Battery is low. try and look for a battery here, because you can see it's 9.2 volts, so the battery is low. So the owner will go and look for battery so that we can know. But definitely, as you can see the chip here now, the one I put in, I'll finally close it properly. But you can see once I put on the ignition, see, when it's off. Right. I'll put it back in now. Put it on. Went off. So do that day. This is Autel IM508 Auto. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. So we have just replaced the battery. I'm going to test it now. Started. This is Autel IM508 Auto. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching.